Hey guys, uh, Windstorm Lover, Mr. Christmas Lover uploaded a new Windy Day video just a few minutes ago, and I decided to do a reaction for it. So here we go.
Hey guys, it's a windy day today. As you can see, the wind's coming from like over that way somewhere, according to the radar. And it's also warmer again too. It's supposed to get up to 50.
Yeah, I noticed that all the snow is gone too. Unfortunately, I'm actually going to be getting another cold snap, which I'm really pissed about. It's supposed to be on Monday through Wednesday. It's supposed to be below freezing. And let me tell you, I was pissed when I found out because I am so over the cold weather. And I was really enjoying the warmth, and I was actually hoping that we would get an early spring and we'd just be done with all the shit weather for a while. I thought we were just finally done with it, but nope. It's supposed to be coming back. Another damn cold snap. I'm so over it. I swear the weather is bipolar.
57 today, which I'm very happy about. And we've had some really strong gusts. Like, look at that. And that's tilted again. I'm done trying to fix that one.
Yeah,
It
I
looks
would
like
get annoyed with that too.
because it looks like I'm just not going to be able to. It's just going to keep doing that.
On the X Heart chimes. Oh, and the music of the Spears.
Oh, here we go. Woo!
Kind of like what I had earlier.
Yeah, this is what I mean. Oh my gosh. And you know what's funny is that today it's almost like you guys know how the chimes over there normally get blown more? Well, it seems like today that these are getting blown more back here,
Yeah, I've kind of noticed that
which is
because especially this
different
time
for
the
once. It's almost as if
Jerusalem, I think, was going
Vinyl Nerd's wind from yesterday moved here because I remember he said his Corinthian bells and the arabesque chimes got blown more than normal yesterday.
They did, yeah. Yeah, it's usually the one because they're in the more not more wooded area in my backyard, and usually the wooded area is what gets usually further up the hill. We get a lot of wind. The front yard gets the most of it. We get tons of wind in the front yard, and then further at the back. Hold on a sec. Yeah.
Bring your record down. Don't answer me. It's bugging me and Dad both, so don't just give me that.
I didn't play side two yet, so I didn't play side two yet. I was doing something else anyway, so. Alright, I'm back. I hope you didn't hear too much of that. Alright, what was I saying? Oh, right, just kind of how the wind patterns work in my area. Yeah, the wind comes from a direction where it gets to the front yard easily, and then some of the chimes in the back. But further down in the wooded area, it just does not come through much. But yesterday it was. But yesterday it came through the wooded area quite a bit, and so the Corinthian bells and the arabesque were going quite a bit, and then the chimes of Lund and the seascapes chime, but then the other chimes not so much.
Oh God! Look there's a gust coming.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, the trees moving.
Oh God, look at the trees over there.
Wow, the Bells of Paradise is surprisingly not moving as much. Yeah, I see what he means. The wind is definitely hitting. It's definitely going a different route in his area too. Because usually the Bells of Paradise is the one that just goes nuts, but not this time. Usually the Bells of Paradise and then the Corinthian Bells still go quite a bit, but yeah, it's the chimes further. It's the chimes further to the back that are moving around a lot more between the Exarch chimes, the Music of the Spears, the chimes of Jerusalem, the Carson chimes. I've just noticed those moving a lot more.
Look how the flat is just flapping up and down. That's actually kind of funny in a way.
Kind of.
Oh wow.
Oh, here we go.
Oh my God.
Whoa.
This is what I mean, guys. The gusts today have just been coming out of nowhere.
The
Like,
chimes of
usually I can hear
Jerusalem
them
kind of
coming, but
reminds me of what my
I
chimes
don't know
of
if
was
it's the
doing
direction
earlier.
of the wind or
Just the
what,
way
but
it was
it's like
spinning
they're just
around.
sneaking up on me. They haven't been doing. Usually, as you guys know, I know when I can tell when they're on the way, but dude, that swing is moving even.
Do you
Oh
even
yeah,
use
I can
that
see one
swing? Do
coming
you
now.
actually use it for? Do you ever serve that swing perfect,
Oh,
or do you
here we
just
go.
name the chimes?
Yeah, and like I said, the gust is just getting bigger.
God, the tractor supply chime. There's the one that Wind Chime Fan was saying it looks like it survived a nuclear blast. It really does. It looks like shit.
Just for now, while I'm recording, I'll level it, but
It's tilt again. I already
I know it's going to go back eventually, so I don't plan on always.
They use the stupid tax on the JW Sonar chimes, don't they? It looks like that one has the tax, like what the Woodstock has, what the Woodstock chimes have. The crazy thing is that they claim that they're staples, but I don't, which I think is stupid as hell because they're obviously just cheap little tacks, not staples. So
He's always fixing it, but
yeah, those it looks like it looks like they use tax. Yeah, it looks like JW Sonard uses tax. That is so lame.
and of course it's calmed down now a little bit. It always does when I'm recording.
Oh, so it's not
It's like
just
Vinyl
me.
Nerd. It calms down. It calms down like almost right away as soon as I start recording.
That's what happens to me.
And now it's going to try to prove me
No.
wrong. Look. Oh God. Oh, here we go. Look at the bell. Look at the wind bell.
Yeah, mine's
It's going nuts.
the one I used to have. I would love to get a JW Sonar chime at some point. I don't know which one I want though. I would love to have the Symphony. That one is big though. I don't know if I would I don't know if I would have the room for that one, but the Concerto would be another cool one to have. Uh there's a few good ones.
It's interesting how these chimes are getting the most wind today. All the ones on this side of the yard. I mean, usually it's the ones like on the porch on that side, but for once it's on this side, which I think is pretty cool. Oh wow, look.
Yeah, that's happened to me too.
And of course, there it goes.
And
I
now
was
the
about
Bell's
to say, of course, it settles down when I'm recording it, but
of Paradise is going a little
it's
bit
doing
more.
a little bit.
Still not much though, not like it usually does.
Is that already tilted a little bit? My God, see, that thing tilts fast. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a big gust.
Oh yeah, the chimes in the wooded area were going a lot.
Yeah, I feel like even these aren't getting blown as much as the other ones are.
Yeah, not really.
Yeah, it's just the wind's just kind of different today. I like it. I like when it changes some. I don't really see any gusts right now. There's a little one.
And if it's calming down because he's recording. And here I thought that only happened to me.
Yeah, see, look at those wind chimes compared to these. These are like barely moving, as you can see.
Making a little bit of noise, but not a whole lot.
That one got a little gust just now. Oh, here comes there we go. Oh God, look at the swing. Yeah, those chimes finally got a gust blown onto them, and there comes a. Oh wow, yeah, that's a big one. It's just so strong today on this side of the yard for some reason.
Yep. I like it too though whenever the wind patterns change. I like it when it goes a different direction.
Oh my God, look at the butterfly chime. It just went nuts. Oh, there's a gust up in that tree. Oh yeah, that's a big one too. Oh my gosh.
I'm actually thinking of
Those
doing
are
some-
getting blown like nuts over there. Yeah, the wind. Remember when I
Speaking of
told you guys the wind did
rearranging
some
some of my
funky stuff
chimes,
when
I
it
just
come from
don't
the
know
south?
how I want to
Well,
do them.
I think that's what it's doing now.
Uh, love hearing that one.
This is my absolute favorite Music of the Spears chime. I hope to get the mezzo and soprano one day to harmonize with it.
I want the whole tone mezzo so bad, and that
It
and
just
the
sounds
alto.
so good. Oh yeah, gust. I think. I thought I heard one coming. Oh yep, there is. Whoa! Look at the glass chime. Oh my god.
Oh, there's the Balinese soprano. I know the Balinese alto I really want to get. I don't know so much about the soprano, but the alto definitely. And the Hawaiian. Something really funny that I just wanted to point out, because he has the Balinese soprano and then the Hawaiian alto. I think I would actually go the opposite route because I would love to have the Hawaiian soprano and the Balinese alto. Just go the complete opposite.
Oh, here comes a gust. Oh yeah, big one. Oh, hey, look at the flag. Oh god, here we go. It's howling. Oh, look at that one.
Jeez.
Look at the chimes in the garden way over there. Yeah, they never get blown that much normally. Yeah, the wind's definitely doing something funky today. But I like it. It gives me something different to watch
Through
instead of the
that.
same thing over and over.
Mm-hmm. I agree.
Oh god.
I love that evergreen tree there. Well, I don't know if that's a spruce or.
That one's going nuts. The encore ones are too.
A little bit, yeah.
Oh wow. Look how far out they're all standing out like that. Yeah, you guys know this normally doesn't happen to the. I know I've said this a million times, but it doesn't happen to the chimes back here a lot. It usually happens to those on the porch or something
I've
on that
definitely
half of
noticed
the
that
yard.
those are the ones that usually really catch a lot of wind.
And now what's
Well, in
going?
this
It's
spot, it's
calmed
usually
down some
quiet.
now. See, it's another gust. Yeah, that one came out of nowhere.
I don't know if it's still windy in my area right now. No, it looks like it's actually calmed down in my area, so I probably won't be uploading any more windy day videos today. I do still want to do some rearranging though. I just don't really know where I want to how I want to do the rearrangements. Just trying to decide which ones I want to bring back out and which ones I want to bring in, and just just putting certain ones in different spots. I'm gonna have to think on how I want to do that.
The gusts today are just coming out of nowhere.
You had to go over to the gypsy, didn't you?
That was for you, Vinyl Nerd.
Oh,
If you're watching this.
damn it!
Oh,
All the
wow.
hell! Oh my god! Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh God!
How did I know he
How
was
much
doing
you're
that on
blowing?
purpose?
Look how fast that thing's spinning. The camera makes it look slower, but wow. Yeah, those branches are moving a lot today. Well, I think I'm going to end the video soon. Maybe one more gust. Because, you know, I don't want to make the video too
Soon, yeah, it
long.
doesn't look like that. Still have a while to go on this.
I may go on this side of the yard for the last gust. Whenever it comes. That chime's blowing some now.
I want that one.
I need to get that fixed. I just don't really have the time, you know? I mean, I intend to eventually, but you know, with work and everything, I'll have time eventually, guys. Don't worry. I'm not just going to let this hang here like that for the rest of its life.
I want to get that one so bad.
So far, that last gust is looking like a no-show right now. It hasn't come yet. Oh, I think here it comes.
Oh, yeah, looks that way. Not as strong as I thought.
Well,
Thought it would be stronger than that.
oh,
Okay,
there we go.
that's more what I had in mind.
That one's ringing quite a bit too.
That one I'm definitely getting one day. The wind catch on that one already rusting.
I hope Vinyl Nerd reacts to this. I mean, this is very. Oh, yeah, the last gust is coming.
Nah, I'm not
This
gonna
wind
react
is
to
very
this.
unique that I'm having today. Oh wow, it's already coming in the archery. That was fast. But here we go. Another thing I like is just how like. Oh. Another thing I like is just how like it's just gust after gust after gust. Usually I have to wait a while for another gust to come. But it's just one right after the other. I love it. This is what I wish it would do every time I'm trying to record. It usually does. This is how it is when I'm not recording, guys. This is what it does when I'm not recording.
Yes,
mostly.
every time I'm not recording, it gets like this in my area. But then every time, it'll be like this in my area for a while, and then as soon as I start recording, it just goes quiet. It is ridiculous.
Still waiting for that. Oh, I think here comes a strong one. It looks like it. Oh yeah, they're rocking a lot down there. Whoa.
That's another one I would like to get eventually, to Chimes of Jerusalem. So rare now, though.
Well, I think I'm going to end the video here. I'm not getting the kind of gusts I want anymore. Wait a minute. Hang on just one more minute. I'm just going to take a look down that way and see if I see a gust maybe coming. And of course, now I talk about ending the video, it looks like there might be a gust coming.
That's what happened to me when I made my Windy Day video today. Because I was saying that just...
I bet if I were to end the video, it would show up.
That's what happened to me, because when I was making my Windy Day video today, I said, "Oh, one more gust and I'll probably end the video," and that one last gust came, and it just wouldn't go away. It just kept on going, and just as I thought it was calming down, and I was about ready to end the video, it would pick up again.
Here. But I'm afraid if I kept recording, it wouldn't show up. That's just my luck with everything, guys.
Yeah, I thought I was the only one.
Oh, yeah. Look, wait. Yeah, it's coming, I think.
I bet as soon as he stopped recording, that's when it really started going.
Okay, yeah, I think after this one, I'm going to end it.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, here it comes. I see it. Guys. Oh, wow, that looks
Let's
like a
see.
big one. Okay, why are there two fives going the opposite directions of each other? Oh,
That is weird. What the hell?
Is it coming? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yep.
Woo! Oh, yeah, here we go.
Yep.
Whoa! Look
All
how
the
fast.
times of Jerusalem just spins around every time a really heavy gust comes.
All right. Wow, that was a short gust. All right. I think I'm going to end the video here. Bye.